Hi, Mr. Sid, how are you? So today I am with the sales director of Assisi Builders, and they have launched a multi-billion-dollar project now today, and with the 54,000 apartment. And how many villas, sir? It's coming roughly.
The number of the villas, maybe it will be like 80 or 100.
100
Still
villas.
will not confirm
So
it.
the villas will be more than 10 million.
But this now, we didn't mention anything about these villas.
Yeah.
Or I didn't mention, or we didn't decide when we're gonna launch it.
Yeah.
But we have it now, all the buildings now what we have it, that we launched some of building. So we can arrange for that buildings.
Okay, sir. We have our American group. We have Universal Blockchain University, and we have 3 blocks company.
Okay.
We are into tokenization of real estate. So we can undertake, okay,
So yeah, that's what
a minimum amount of
as it is
100 units, apartment,
Exactly.
villas, and we can offer to our people, investors. So we can bring hundreds of investors for the same.
Exactly.
So we are going to have a program on 5th at the International Academic City.
Okay.
It's a SP Jain University campus.
Okay.
It's one of the biggest universities in the world.
Okay.
So we are launching our project from Saudi Arabia, $1 billion real project from Saudi. It's a resort. So we can declare about this project and we can bring at least 100 investors for you.
Of course. Very good. And that we can arrange, as I told you, undertaking that